know that when I make videos of people playing in the water, they get more views than any other videos? I have no idea why. People like watching it in the water, I guess. Maybe they want to see if your shit's gonna short out. I don't know.
Maybe.
Is it actually waterproof?
Is it waterproof?
I mean, you don't want to go in that hole down there, but because that's actually pretty deep.
In the pond?
Yeah, it's actually pretty deep.
Yeah, you don't want to go in there. Easy. What are you doing now? I'm still playing in the water, bro.
Let's slide down into the hole.
That's the hole of doom. Yeah,
That one's got the hobby wing in it, right? That
yeah.
Hobby Plus.
Yeah, the Rushmore, yeah.
Yeah. It's just a better choice for them because it's waterproof. I mean, the PureTech one isn't waterproof. Like, that's a no-brainer.
It's actually a pretty cool little rig.
I have that Fury wagon with the PureTech in it. It's alright, I like it. It's basically the same. I mean, I have both motors and ESCs, so they pretty much run the same.
Yeah.
Just one's waterproof and one ain't. So that's pretty big advantage.
We're testing out the Red Cat electronics right now here. And the Westland. I don't even know if they say if it's waterproof or not. Oh no. I'll move that rock.
I always did. I moved one rock, one rock.
Are you just going up and down this thing?
I am. What are y'all about?
The only bad part is when your tires are all full of water after this.
Yeah, that's why I had water.
Unless you don't vent them.
At least, yeah, mine are very well vented, and then they got silicones in them.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't matter then, but it's still kind of...
Yeah.
You get the swamp water coming out of there after a couple days. It smells like crap coming out.
Yeah.
Squeeze it like, oh, what was that?
Yeah.
Smell like somebody pooted.
It's just your freaking RC tires.
Go!
Trying to get out. There we go. Just see how adventurous I can do over
It's
here.
got like a faux 2-speed in it too, doesn't it, that one?
The
Like
red
up,
one?
yeah, like you press a button and it makes it go faster. Like
No, it's a one speed.
it's a 1-speed? Oh, okay.
This one's a 2-speed.
That one?
The yellow truck.
That's an 18 scale too, right? Yeah, that's an 18 scale. I think they're all 18 scale that you guys are driving here. I mean,
I got a...
they call whatever they call them, but I mean, that's what I'm saying. That's what they call it, at least.
Yeah.
They call my Capra 18 scale, and it is not an 18 scale, dude.